for high Gypsy News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot enkwa era me de bremo na ansana ensebni nyina beba no. So when you subscribe ya bomori ase over subscribe na wa like video no, give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be hwe na wo ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memo a afi yehwe eye ensemo a abeto yepono so yinti eye sankobo ya ekoso mama yinti
me hu se me di agora me na party for kura ko ye you ni omo ya no abegina call free chairman wuntimi social media kwa me what is free e koda
bia amunimu
kwa me no ni asem no eno nti na make sa asem ba ni enimu wa no wa hwe na mo yi because enimu sabi asem na ba mi hu so obi enim me nti eni se me de me hototo sabi miura nti to cut a long story short no ye boy ye kwa adu ya afi ya me nya be Ewoma na menim penfo kasa na penfo se ekuro kwa asem na aba no the best bet for you is say we be accepted to be a prosecution witness because something now we should gina investigation
metewasia edu baby no anhwe yi a ani wo chama wuntumi so anhwe yi a wo ando de ubetimi akodam it is all pretty.
Why are not for them to be a good one tell you, family? But I want to make it. You mean, say, Yamin first time mo. So why we are for them to have you being a presidential pardon that you get to power. But I have you be a crank kind. Obia so ya free chairman wants to Obia chairman want to me and Obia again home. Mr. Kwame, be your binny bow. Kwame, me wa you, me wa ma, me wa bushia. Eba say ni me bushia de bia me ba me frem papa frem me so my lucky ma me ni papa nyina tia so o manyi ni ba o tia enti de tia na say me dwe ho mi so okay say me what the option say aban say wo de ka de onim aban ka say me nkotwa nkontompo nti chema wonti me so let people take note na me ka kwa na video say me ntwa nkontompo so nti chema wonti me so da na mom no kura me nim de meka me nya me fa
na mami musa ade bi wo ha wa munu ebra ye gya wo no mo kan se ye be gya wo na emom be prosecution witness na ka de wunim
da bi de tie no se me ne attorney general hia no wono attorney general kan di ka ka kire me se on pese me ya magin se me be transfer to chairman wuntimi so just to make me look clean na ono ne ho nkire no
nua ene ne nansa so ene yete se yewura chama wuntumi akonta mining ene wo mo acha attorney general charge nipa bi na yejai emu baako yejai no a yenya no prosecution witness ne kire se onu no ka oka ho a ne abo no kwadu ne mu yejai no wonu wo bedi adanse na ode etia omo aka no na ye ne yewura wonu so saade yi efa ne ho no ebedi nkomo na onu eye general manager ede ema akonta mine na eye yewura chama wuntumi edia eti yenkwa ni yewura ejuad ekokon enfan komo nhihye so Miriam Mochi.
Hey, Miriam Penny. Saben from Asikasi awori aje ma chen.
Mejo so ne ye.
Umpom to say.
Mimpomu ye papa me te o kana che.
Ma fe wo pa me. Ato bi ntra. Me kai every one Australian institute ye masters in kokra ye si ade. Pa me. Abo. Abra papa. Ye America we do na lecture sasati ya jaw.
Anazo kidi na oko ai bende.
Ami ana pe mi tell ke affirmative fo nyina.
Etiefo nyina so joso.
Me mpene ya kwa me unji ni film se wo sala. Ya sala ma wate. Dachi be yi. Donde wo nya bu se mo.
Wate. Waye na maba unche no pay ya. Mami Musa ade asamo ya tete ye nyina ne se ajawo na wo ye general manager edema akonta mining na attorney general se niema bi ankoyie ya bechi wura chama wuntumi ya mani beli ya mani beli no ya sachi ni biem na ya asem no wo mabobɔ no de akɔgyina court na afa yɛse ya charge nipa bi a wo so ka ho afa ko wi ase a yɛse wo de ya gyawo na emom wo bɛyɛ danseni ɛfa ɛma wura nom ne nkrɔfo a yabɔ mo kwadu no asem yi pa emu nkyeremu ne sɛn
yo ni Kwame anope meda wasepa ne akwanya wo de ama me na meka sɛ nyame nukuri ni asem ni nanka minyanka menka ho bi esan so asem no court eno nti de meya anope ni sɛ metry sɛ menko obuni beka sɛ the substance of the matter e ho de menko ho because Kwame me ko wa ya me ni betie no na me no bi na ya befa ye sɛ content menko ho me ho de meka ni sɛ Kwame edi kan no em sɛ wo de wuni me pa Sebi midi chairman won't me chairman. Minister America say it's getting to about 20 years, 2 decades.
Oh yes, yes.
Me de my brother bomb me bia me dia some chairman won't me. Me aka say sebi say ba mine mu a me kan to me pa. Then so ba a good year to chairman won't me the good year to jumedi mu a me dia akosene pa. Sebi say chairman won't you be ati say what the radio so boost to say to good we say me aka say me fare ba me. So sabi obi enim me the silent hero. Ninia emsa asemi ebaye no asem na nkasa no krom ni say asem ne hyaase 2022. Wa bra obekai ya viral video bi baye na menam. Dey sim kofo say mako mini forestry commission for akokon makidnap wo mo ewo Tanonumri forest no. Ebaye no media sabre police fo bi amfre me. Ba mete se mi wrade police for friend not to phone no ono so ba wa meka hia nkyere me NDC abamba power ya ba busumi nsia ne me wo ha ne so nsa frɛ me eto nsa frɛ me no me koy CID for ɛno mama tia se sa asem no esi 2022 no eye MPP abanka no wo mo prepare docket bi na docket no mu no ɛno wo mo to aso enti no me die pie mu na me die pem baby investigation baby phobia bekom bia no me die ne yebo na
udin na pie mu no omo se wo ye den pa wo play a dey role
role no Kwame is also a matter of prosecution now mean call role
okay Matthias
I'm being very careful this morning with your
okay
demom dia ya answer me die pem
okay
it me meka die binim nyame no nukuri ni me nya se bi wonim no in criminal trial no ade ba ko a opepesa obeye no say you don't want to give out too much information because one way ya no akoka afem no ana wasu wo fiki as much as possible no me kama no to statement a wo mutro nyina no na me yie ma no papa me kan sem bebiri enti eye aban panin for CID ni attorney general ho say ase minimbro dia maka no so omo frame several times ye pese omo a further statement me se mini veka omo frame me se mini asem biaka omo frame me se mini asem biaka ni tiatia ne se omo boy kwadu ye boy kwadu no kwadu a ye de ball me no the same kwadu ye de ball chema wuntimi nenso sumpo e ba kwadu dodo de ya me kwa ye ball me kwadu dodo e chema wuntimi like I said sabe me fa ne se enko wi akire no kwadu no bom ya ma re ya me ma totwe kura be cheke ma wuntimi sabe kwa me menso so me kwa paadie o se ma wuntimi adwuma no fa me company me nya shareholder me nya director me nya partner me kwa paadie enti me kodi pa enti me gye ho se na obi na afa madwuma me kodi pa na se bibi mu fi se bibi atochema me mom kura me kwadu emu duro ne dodo esene adwuma wura okay me hwei me he de beko Kwame ye ko tweze ni ma ye bill no me bill e de ma me na ye 10 million Ghana cedis to be justified which means say what me ye japade sombo 10 million Ghana cedis Kwame wuni ya said you win me fitete me say say me gina hai me ni japade mpo so even 2 million Ghana cedis me ni me ni hwe me tiwe Kwame wa de on ma nanti win me ni hwe ya na duwa bia ya na me pofo say obi a woni chema wontia nanti say de wo sika pa Kwame me ni kwenti me ni sika I'm telling you for fact today.
I know. Omudi post no kra buy. Wom so ye general manager. Eti general manager there. Hey, ni impress kwa senkeso.
Eti kwa me. Sema wuntumi no ampanimfo na pe ejapade esombo no omde be omde bae. Na kwa me eni kasamba akwa na sare wo sem mom ni. Wonim se ye court benada. Da court no ma justification no sema wuntumi court 2 court me call 1. Sema wuntumi total base sum was 40 million na me de 10 million total 15 million Ghana cedi. Benada no yes me am process here ndi nti omde ye nyina akokoton no me ye de me koton bi na sell. And I tell my ye no koton be before. Now, ye demu benada, mukuyada, yawada. Efiada no pa ombe yi no, se omo be yi no, ye di ko court for no. Ye processi bibia wie kwa me ma frɛ me yere, ma boss say obi abusuafo ina se me be fie. Ye wie ya afei above 4 almost 450 court obepon. Ye gwa na krata wo me se krata no amode baaye no. Ye check e bi o ha enimu papa. Nti ye se a ejapade na no bo no. It grew 49,300,000. I shot by 700,000. It's nearly a much because it was 50 million. Hey, oh, okay. It's your better day. Jamin said, Mine Mira, Ninane, ye, yes, I with them. And penny for the buyer almost a clock on the iron idea. It's a war sack with them near my chair, my pea. Eti, Meno, I'm a good pano, Kwame. Idru hono yesa ma me sakusimu e ma chema wo bi pie sa fie da no
na one dia na anso aya ka 700 wo dia na say because
ye nyina e bom sa gapade na chema wo tun de baaye enti me dia wono odi ni na eba enti kwa me nka anso a nka ye nyina ne ye kodamu
ai
that na me hu say bi nipa bi tine bi mo du tine bi enti obi a ma frɛ me yiri mabusuafo nyina sɛ me ba fie no kwa me awre hosem na o sɛ me sa frɛ me yiri sɛ ye sa de makohyemu me yiri bɔ na ni nusu enya hwe me kohwe mu kwa me e ma kyema wutu pie fiara no da fiara na o pie ya no ko ba o mi office no mu nyina mu hu sɛ o zia media na me mata kohyem adwuada ne turu ye no kwa me enyi be yi me adwuada yi kwabjo ye be yi kwa mu mare hosem
da bi o
sɛ efiada no a ye frɛ me yiri bɔ na me ne sɛ me sa kohyem no na masiba nkasa wo yare for some time ya me yire maame obusa na masiba yesu wo ba afi o kam ka say ya sa de wasi akoshemu masi no agi kum wonya shock wo enti me that cells no kwasi ada na masi wuye the pie ju ada chema wo tumi na mpo de se na yi kwasi nya hwe yesu wasi free mo kwame that's the first casualty I suffered nya hwe wo de se bi nipa bia be wu na ju ada ye maame be ye mama be wi no kwa me won ma de akwa me say hu ye
Baby
throughout this case no kwa me won say ya cheme prince ma that cell sa almost be 8 to 9 days obi akra nke
no e dey now that cells
cha ya cheme yetume cheme ne chema won tumi ye nya be wi statement no ne ama chema won tumi be oni asade makoto ma de ake and I make am because see the one position who say maybe a lot of information they need which I am not owning up. I was still frustrated. What I said? Sir, I was so kasa any investigation in me. Enti no muguso. Or more premier say ya meka. So me ya mese men kafe. Edu eruko
ampa so na information na no mo hwe no.
Oh, na kwa me obi a maje adwuma, I mean, over I na me information. Me information. What I say? Adwuma me kwaye wo se be sama boy akonta mine for almost a year no. Nyema pi ni si ho. Enti ne bi ha na makama no tin. Edu ko mutumi de fe me ne me lawyer kwa, lawyer andi ya na me ne ko. Omutumi aso andi so oh senior we de ko e ne ye wi man bill. Andi free ho no ko ya no makolo me.
Me am of Andi.
David me ka
lawyer Andi apia kubi.
Yes.
Okay.
Enti kwa me je me na ne se me say nwade ba ko. Anytime you go police station kura na ye kwa me ne chema wontu ne ko. Now so the focus is not on me. Because chefo bia ba no mo ye lawyer Andi interviewer wontumi a no obo me eti obi akura hu se asem no ko e ba ne se na me ne chema wontu. Eto se bio sebe da ye call court IP amanfo hu se handcuff e bo me ne chema wontu ne sa. Party penny fo bebiri kura musa ahwehwe me. me hu say me di agora me hwe na party for kura ko ye you ni o me ya no be gina call free chairman wuntimi social media kwa me what is free e ko da
bi a mu nimu
kwa me no ni asem no eno nti na me ka sa asem ba ni enimu wa no wa hwe wa na mo yi because enimu sabi asem na ba me hu so obi enim me nti eni se me de me hototo sabi miwura nti to cut a long story short no ye boy ye kwa adu ya afi ya me nya be o ma na me ne penfo kasa na penfo se he e kwa asem na aba no the best bet for you is say will be accepted to be a prosecution witness because something now we should gina investigation
metewasia edu baby no anhwe yi a ani wo chama wuntumi so anhwe yi a wo ando de ubetimi akodam eti ese oputi
kwa ya mekwa akodam ko bi akora hu am tell you ba me ba chama wuntumi de ye mi hu ni say nya me mfa sa ma o so wa hwe akodam ko ahwe obenya presidential pardon da chi bi am power ba wa ha me obi akora nkai ni obi aso ya free chama wuntumi obi e chama wuntumi ya na obi adwin no ho me so kwa me bi obi ni ba o sa me wayiri o me wo ma me wo busia e ba se ni me busia ha da bia me ba me frem papa frem me so my luck ma me ni papa nyina tia so o ma nyine ba o tia enti de tia tia na se me dwe ho mi so okay se me what the option say aban say wo de ka de wonim aban ka se me nkotwa nkontompo nti chema wontumi so let people take note na me ka kwa no video se me ntwa nkontompo so nti chema wontumi so da na mom no kura me nim de meka na me nyame ha ni ma hoto
na mama mi sa ade bi wo ha wo mu no ebra ye gya wo no mo kan se ye be gya wo na mom be prosecution witness na ka de wunim
da bi de tie no se me ne attorney general shia no wono attorney general kwa di ka ka se me se pese me imagine say me be transfer to chairman wuntumi so just to make me look clean na ono ne ho nkyere no me mo so pese o ka kire me say o mo so wa dance be biri about me me wese me ntwa nkontompo se me twa nkontompo a me ho be kire me e na wonu se kwa me witness no court mrem tere ya witness na uko countro wa bra dance wo sa so wo kan wo boa yitumi ya hostile witness
yes
obey your hostile witness.
How much be the page you crab ball line and the
hostile witness? You are what's accused person. Because just say, oh, why I want to be there and do the jar as the Kumu. And the attorney general can't say, Makuma told me, I was look, let me control and to share my wound to myself. No, that's not what we want. But he can operate. And I'm saying, Matty.
Me bow. Send no crabby or what a bet him the charm wound to me so I could to a fiasia. And also to say,
there be. Na make us say no kura na minimum no e ye court ne be decide say sa no kura no e de chairman wunti be kwa fiase na emfa no kwa fiase enti no me nko ho it amounts to go into the substance of the case
because the tell me bisa say the tell me bisa say
whatever no kura me wonu ka na me de me say ma present me du court am de be to ho e ye court mom e na wo so decide say asema in the first day me ken e ye no kura na e to so mi no say ye no kura e be tia ma chairman wunti that is for the court to decide. Media ne say the minimum meka. Enti attorney general enemy nya ntiase. E na oye say ne oba withdraw all the charges against me. Na me decide me. Kwame. Me tite say of Africa say e na we yin boss ama no. E ye me ya. Sabi
because Mira because the na enkrofo e say mostly no se prosecution ne padansie bi na wonya ebi anipa bia miensa na nan ya wabo mo kwadu no otumi yi baako no a na wose wo me padansie afiri wo ho na me de agina so e de prosecute wo mo maka no eti ya na mostly no adwene nyina akogina se enam se ya yo prosecution witness enti no woni ye hwe adansie afiri wo ho because on condition
era kwa me dia o kan say awomrem is in law
yeah
awomrem and you say there's even a case study I forgot about it as Damati something bibisa enti the ono age no ya na say look when am feel say what am I work on make me dia ya dance enti me withdraw charge again to kwame me share charge na me face here the minimum sentence na 15 years enti kwame me share din asama risk say kwadu no bomia me come 15 years kwame igina yi me almost 50 years old me ko 15 years but that minimum na me 65 abena juma pro be kasa ma pension won fa me 15 years one ever me yere me mama me
na wanzu aja minimum won we guy na abeba kura na wakodu
ko me yere ba he ya me ba pra no ni bia na me yere o fa ma sam bia na so na se so senti na bi pra me lu so me yere so it's quite a beginning with him to know I have to take a decision that is in my best interest. And the person will be a genus I do say. So person what you assume make can see. Obibia would seem to say no buta who say. Kenka ya wo and a would near be the me. Who could have been the me, who be the me. Be another person may in this circumstance. Make us come on to. Let's say no quick that you of course I had could deal because of them own to me and now say, Minka, you mean, let me found you.
Eyi ba because ba kubia ye di nkom ye hye nkom ya se odi tu dwane se edu baabi aye free chama wuntumi nye free ekoko edu baabi yetimi mane be na wo de wakohyem mi wa no dwetira kuta adwuma no nyina na se bi nyo na ade ba wo de okodi pa etina ube nwa
partner I'm just an employee me ye worker me kodi boy sabe yo kwa me wini ma de ba konso
dabi
adwuma no kura no 2022 no me resigning e bija me je before ni ja adwuma ne ye the reason why me ja en ye me nka na ha e bia court ne meka sabe kwa me no kura pa ne se obi eni ho a wo ye adwuma papa sika wo se go da adwuma nko bi ja ida but me ja adwuma no esi police wa from me ka jo me se
na adai ho no na de sese esi odwumani akatua se no na emma ana se amate
it's all part of the story in the court.
Okay.
But the American say, me resign. The binti in a man, me resign. Men card the crop. And then we know me, but see a restraint here, hope party, and cover here, hope a career.
Pame, Matthias said,
so that and yet easy. Let me never be that. So my own to my that's almost close to 8 or 9 days.
Sell there, young.
Yes, Pame. But me mo kwa me say me lucky baby ade me ko na hoyo kwa me ene ene me bia na 3000 but nya de me fe but na hoye
okay
but ni na say I didn't know what step me put into that situation kwa me do baby no na me pesa me ka but na me ni say me di empenifo bi hu ya but me pesa me call baby because na me
our party no one na say eden
party no ho because me me aka kwa me nipa mienu pe na asebe bae metia ka se wo mo je bibia ma no se me as party ni so because kwa me say MPP ni wo de wonim
pa
mama act as constituency secretary for Obuasi MPP pen time na Obuasi na abum no former MPP do me na me the campaign manager
oh okay yeah
so me party ni mafa am penifo ni me sampan mo nyina ni me ye interview penifo mo ti o mo ni me pa sampan mo nyina jombo do obi ani me asam no bae no Yura George Oduro, former Deputy Minister of Agriculture. Mr. Swan, sorry, one lawyer Andy, one year new. Lawyer Andy, I'm a fan of the lawyer, but Ura Oduro, dear, Papa Wanda, and no pack a via or go up and down just to make sure, say, or make to build condition of mixing. The Yanoto in Kenya, party need be anywhere formally will show concern. Now, so and now me take a decision in my best interest, no. But I'm a course every day, me, no, a brapem. I think a penny, dear friend. Hey, and you to be your way, and you say, Namsibo.
Now, maybe 2022 now, or resigning, and then I saw call back.
Man, me call back. If it's 2022, many times I want to mean you.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
And I make it so friend because. Say, that's 22 nights and it's not
any a chain on ya bet you war.
And I make a stop me and I'm a young manager time I didn't see yellow. What do you say?
Okay.
And to me, 1 year.
Now, I almost say, whoa, we was so much information. Now information na no e betimi am de agina so I prosecution no come pa.
Oh, Kwame, since you are not here. The father say, okay, FM, when I general manager. When you say as general manager, no, every department of the organization will report to you. So
Aye.
Kwame, enti the TN said, BBC was Sikasam one, the free general manager, so to me, no. BBC, security, okay, FM, who general manager, I was so to me, no.
Yes.
BBC administration, I was so to me, no. BBC operation, I was so to me, no. I just that concept, me as the head of the organization at that time, no. BBC, of course, who be hard. No, what's the can want them. Now, I'm planning to win him investigation, no. One cook room or be an concession on the summer boy area. One call you meet him for one meet companies or when you know if you don't buy
you are the face of it.
Exactly. I was the interface. If you don't buy a clock. Obi abia no a na akuoko saa medin ya bwa. Into such a person, we are very key in investigation.
Enti ene na said ye sitie information away e betimi ama ura no makodam o manu butusu na
bacho me eno de me ntumi nka me need to me say make information me wo e betimi ama me ura kodam na kwa me mpa ebo so ye ba ko fe kwa me no ka say da bunkotu gi me mpa ebo ne se me ura chema wontu obenya na fa because I will never wish him bad. Nemum me so me pese gan for say me so me nya dia me mum me ko je ma chema wontu so nya na fa wontu me mfa me kran ko so
but say one le caveat ne say mpa ebo ne se e ma ye ura chema wontu mi won ko je nemum wo so nya bibia de wo hu se mimi wo bo be ko je
obi a priniti it is some me primiti Kwame, ena me kai no, me ma me ne papa da ho tia. Sell keke na wo twe mase ewu. Me no ka se mase na da ho da fridge mu, na wo simple you need. E so fresh. Na wo twekura me ni.
Na asifri kro be so.
Mase free I am free.
Oh, I am free. I am free. I am free. Oh. Na me bo. Bra issue no start here no edrube bribe na ehun se da bi ese ade no enuma nyina bom bate wo anuma kunini ene wo anuma akwankwa wo ho se ebi wa boye na ori ese yama we be yama chama wuntumi be yese kokon de ekohyem
na make say edidi ohun de dika ye first time invite you CID no se ma wuntumi de ohun friends here that same day man be
Bawe amount.
That is, on my sure statement there, you know. On my train, about 5 no, on my coffee. Meanwhile, no, my sure, lawyer Andy that time said, on my bill, see, I for lawyer Andy died for the meeting. Who's the lawyer Andy, a leading member of a Brian Camp or campaign team?
Sure.
It's your campaign meeting. And Omakano, your friend Andy, baby, you know, meeting. As one can say, Omajama because or more. Some other questions, investigation also Mbusame. Now, officer also interrogating us upon this omni pushing. That they are pushing with James Town self. Because they're mad chain. That's a mountain.
Baba, I also just say 1 year.
The 1 year for our family. And in me buy, if you know me, I build, no me share, you know. Second 1 year, and I make us say, and I poor quarter, I am meeting you from this, and any time I now put them and send you a buyer. Tell my food fee, yes, I didn't see him, if I could see him and second home. Not care my Yoko, because. Bill some now so answer no thank Kwame thank me me mo bisa nke be ka se mo ma fi okun kofi na chema wunti dan ko so but ya nkan sa ya say e chema wunti mo mpi na me san ko so ampa ko so eti wori ya no so ncha na me ka no party man ka so ne party mpanimfo enhye na won se be ever since enranko news ne ba say me ya turn me into a prosecution witness now no Chairman seems to have gotten more sympathy from the party people than ever. And you are, and you more mean who or we now back court. You mean your some me hu Mustafa Hamid wo dan ko fu nyina first that case no go na me ka no mo we but say wo mo say sa asem no they have gained more sympathy for me hu ne say Kema Wuntimi for your serious political icon and no doubt about that obi body regional kema di mood it is a bibi ni awon wo benya more sympathy than me and that also be say me kind no you want to say can was me na me wo the strategic and operational level me na me wo from na me ye adwuma no Kema Wuntimi e form okra wonsi hoda enti wo ma me na me ho bon asem no mo emre mo no wa hwe ya court se bomia me wa hwe me sentence fa be Kema Wuntimi sentence
just because wuna now ye the interface of it wuna now ye operations it e bo wa nra wo ba ko
me ka se bomi Francis Commission for Nisiga for me na me ko sia wo ma me no ko konto pe yo e na nanam yo wuni se eno ho no charge ye de bo me no Kema Wuntimi no ni ho nti amon charge we no eno no e bo me amenya ho akwese Esi ba me sabe what you wouldn't me? A school kakra me point on so, and then Maraca Messian, yeah, Mr. Medicine. You will say, Kwame, my ya, many better no, my bravo, I am basta. Aye,
it's any advance here be a will be an overcock progo. The court to the Macasset. Min chantro da, Yankopon cry and pim, min chantron to Sama to Mr. Da, because I'm in the sanche. Name moment so, Mr. Yadian so I'm making a better and a dear. I need to think of my personal interest. What kind Mark Abraham, Ninian was it? How many are men who intimate from Abraham to church a be more? In years, and to touch up. Barman, yeah, dear, me bonfire movie, and be Kwame, a barman, you moved. And the issue of galamsey and punishment, a woman of Kwame. It's a winning even because minimum sentence now with a amendment 5 years ago, but a clear minerals and mining act amendment. This is the minimum sentence is 15 years. 15 years. Mammy must have question we. Dear, a woman now you're general manager, none more yard the idea no. Say no ye the right thing. Say no ye the right thing there. I don't know so say. And when na e betimi abowam wakwa them.
Bami, whether or not we're doing the right thing is also a matter in the trial. Because a nonsense the back say you differ now you give them. I don't want to comment about it. What I say? Bami, me media me ela di kakana me ye no me de guide me home.
Ai, ye vende
kakana me de guide me home. Nin ko ye Bami e me tran ko ye me fa me sa me fa me.
Debi, aha. Ye fe nyina ye mu ye pieto saboto na ho.
Ai. No, Bami wo kra dia wo de wo ti so me ti ye ketwa. Dia wo ti so ti ya bro ti che. Wow. Bami men ko.
Mate. Eti da be na mo be court.
Maybe I also say no, me state witness.
Yeah.
I will only go to court when the state needs me.
Okay.
The monitor from the media says no, I need to say Kema Wuntimi ever start court. I think on the 4th of December. Or court 4. The other court in the meaning because the other court assembly and then come.
Okay. Now, Mammy Muso, and she send an open so a bra attorney general friend also your prosecution witness. No. Now, bet me, I said, there be a yame.
Oh, yes. Mammy, repeat you. So often I do not know. And you willingly, and I'm taking you, me, I'm you'll be other forcing you. Mammy, come over the other thing, you'll be other forcing you. Me, I'm him. You can meet him, and I'm after see it. Because I don't make my way the pros and cons. What I say? Let no one be deceived, as he said, Attorney General, at the second in the council, and now for me him, the serious consultations, many lawyers work with them Kasai, many penny for Kasai, party company food call on one, me, I'm a friend, and they all advised me, said, the best decision for me at that time was that I should go accept to be a prosecution witness.
Okay, do baby no. Now whom say now okay. Say nipa bia na nka ahwe omani mu say sa the year according to Kema Wuntimi no the same thing na senka wɔn tumi akɔɔdo bi ɛde ma wo but ɛwɔ yɛ ne du baabi na ayɛ sɛ wo nko a yɛyi no a na wo nko a wakɔdam wo nko a o yɛ sɛ wo de wo nkɔ fie baakya ama adeɛ wo nkɔ fie ɛne adeɛ no ɛno no ɛma wo take saa decision no paa mboa
ɛnokɛ paa ɛnokɛ
mame na wasɛ anɔpɛ yi
saa me mesi meda ase paa
me wi a mɛfro wadam
so bɔ mpa ka wo nyɛ akyi na me repeat bio sɛ Ghana man nyina titi MPP for mo obi an crucify me because sɛ wo na wo ɛbi wo sɛ me mpaboa mu a ebi anka wo bɛyɛ western ɛsɛ sɛ me se me bɔ ho ban na emom de yɛbɛtua ne sɛ yɛmmɔ mpa yɛ mu ɔden ɛfa nta kyerɛ ma wo di akyi
adan na ɛsɛ mpa yɛ mu yɛ den saa
me say aban amane bɔ mpa yɛ sɛ wo nya bi da
mate
aban amane nya de fa
minia mame na wase
me da se family
beso be da se yewura Edward akwasi ekokon former managing director Akonta Mining mate nso no na ye ne na atwe nkomo oyina na me mo ache
nana mejuso
na boko de
nana boko na unso
boko pa
nana no pe wa bonkomo nana obeka yi a enura as a Monday na asem ne baaye no enura mekan nana mekan se obi be ni bibi na wonim se nti onje nana mo ka se nipa one na ekọ na eba eni ade nana ensu onwekwa wo
su onwekwa na mfa manwunu bi afa so
nana awidie mo ye nana from afamo wetie ne grounds what opt for so be prosecution as a prosecutor witness no
prosecution witness
ayo lo so what is saying here abrante na tuta na mo no
na
nana baby o kan ye ni
school nam ne ko ye no so no ne ko din no
na school ben no and I am
Australian University.
Why?
Australian University.
Ne ko Australia ono.
Na
Pat Elizabeth ono.
Na. Hey. The only the no. Owo degree. Owo whatever. Owo another masters. Omo
no.
They will let you run through
from that scratch.
So yes, at the above postgraduate diploma. Now they are no beje wage. And
then system no admit it. Ada ibia.
Ebema
exemptions.
Ebema exemptions. Ebema as prerequisites.
Hey.
And almost the any generic. Ubaye ni nyina. All the models. Na models ni bi ho a. Ubehia no ha. Ubaha. Ubesaba beye. Okay. Me fan bia we international law. E will be a first degree. Okay. Oba postgraduate diploma na. Uba beye international corporate law. Ubasaba no.
And quite economics.
Ayaya.
Unso obeye, bonzo obedu level 300, bonzo mde managerial economics abeshem.
Yeah, Zambia ye no. Yeah, Zambia ye no. Udi opa books bi a wo bi asesabra.
Exams no.
Udi opa fa begu dem ho. Wo pakura bi mu.
Obi anfa ho.
Ni obi an enva ho. Question na da ho no. Eye be 5 chapters. Ani aka bom for be a one question.
Hey. Na nanju one chapter global read e wie se okopansa wom no na tama so.
The pass aha. Are highly applied. It is your best watch when you know, and it's a quote the question. Cause book no to me, Massam. And we say chapter 4. Debbie. Nana, back to Nkoma Yedi, no.
Nana. Oh, na me tie no me portion bi a Nana. Obia will do this. Nana, after this interview, Obi obeja brante na no esi bone no. Nana nipa no oyanya atwom. Also Nana ka say on several occasions. Enna onne chama wuntumi nya asem a. Ebekwa ko wiase no. Na chama na nya be. Na wono de ya sad na kwhyem. Amu ka say one particular Friday bi kura na say die yi. Wuntumi nya be no. Ono Nasra baba besra ne yere am ya kan so oh what's be ma yeyi no e ma se oba ne to na ma se be ma we ene bobo na mane se we nya mpie ya sad na kohyem nana se woti wo se ensunsanso na ba na se ba no so no so nana waka ba ku bi se chema wuntumi de wakwa akoye non politician that be no they bet me man a presidential pardon
no eh
na wano eh na what na tam na say and then on say ba ye nkrofo say and obi an na nante sa on na nante sa na no say o mo nante no 2022 and be na wiye anameboa and 2022 23 24 25 3 years ni edie wo mo say down collaborate sa
na min mi wo fa na ya sa hene aha data say kwam despite onu so wo fa no wona ode ne ba no na ya sa hene na eto no
okay
de nyina ya wo fa na ya sa hene wo te ase o kan asem bi kire me wo se kwame obi wo ho a ade a wo ye no onim nyansa nko bohu so wagimi nana
onum nyansa ko bohu so wagimi what a statement nipa ni nim nyansa nko bohu so wagimi I love that
also obi a wagimi bi a onhu so wagimi no me che so onum nyansa and as nana fakwa bro from was it takes wisdom to know that you are a fool nana who here I say so one way nana o sound of caution bi o say ye mompaya emu den
nana mpa one demand e ma wan
e ma chama wuntu bi
senti okay it's as a case no
okay I say on the abama ne
no mom chama wuntu mi hiam pa bo emu aden
nanai another ade bi so ba mremu on ansa na prosecution no ebe yi obi se oye no nipa kwa ya bone kwa adu na emum ye yi na firim ni aba prosecution witness no na kire se onim asem bi a wan twa ya e dia foforo na kan bakwa kodem
so nya bie na no se ekim nana unzo bisa no bisa senti onim asem po asa na nipa me na me ye general manager de nana mani ni munsam o wonsam watinsam ehunsam na no wasam asem asem obeda ntem
no way
na ne we be you.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.